Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make a salad which is a must-have dish during our feasts and celebrations. Beetroot salad. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my future updates. Note down or screenshot this yummy beetroot salad recipe. So let's head up right into the preparation. Scrape beetroot, transfer it into your boiling vessel, add some water, salt and boil it until soft. Gently remove the boiled beetroot from its stalk, let it cool down for some time and then slice it up. And then transfer the sliced beetroot into a clean mixing bowl. Add some evenly sliced onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, ginger, green chilies, and a dash of lime juice and salt. Mix all the ingredients together and let all the flavors combine. And that's all. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top and your beetroot salad is ready to serve. The salad is truly delicious and highly nutritious. I hope you like this recipe and you'll try it as well. Follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.